All right, folks, Mr. Dennis Chung believes the Jamaica Football Federation has opened up new avenues and will be able to increase its revenue stream in 2023. And he's here to further discuss this with us. As far as revenue goes, he's no stranger to that. Usually when he's on Smile, he's here as a financial analyst, but he's into sport. For a long time was interim president of the Jamaica Cycling Association, a cyclist himself. And now with probably the biggest sporting entity in the country. I am here to get licks for that. Some other people might say it's foolish, as you just said, but I will take those licks. Morning, Mr. Chung. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. I hope you had a great Christmas, and I pray you have a wonderful New Year, you and your family, sir. How are you?
Yeah, man, I'm good. Never, Daily, while Never was scrolling through his phone with the pictures, I was saying, look how the man going down with his career now.
Federation, the Football Federation, over the years, and I've been a part of this federation for many years as a national player, as a national coach. But the federation get licks from plenty of people for different reasons. Mm-hmm. Why did you want to throw your hat in this ring? Why?
Well, I was on the board a little over 2 years ago and the chairman of the finance committee, and when the position came on, Mike Ricketts, the president, he was asking me for a little while, as he tells people all the while. He was saying, boy, why don't come and do this? Come and help me, because it needs somebody like you. I kept saying, a few times before, I said, Mike, what? I'm not going to do it. I just want to spend some time riding a bicycle around the country, And after a while, I think when we went to the Argentina game in New York, I said to him, Mike, let me just do it, because, I've been on the board for over 2 years. I love the sport. I used to play a lot of football before I started cycling. In fact, it was because my knee actually went level and I had to do surgery where I started cycling, and I had to stop playing football. So I said, let me do it. I have a lot of friends in the sports, and, it has been great.
Okay.
It has been a great ride.
Yep.
All right, so this says, Dennis, first of all, let's talk about what the revenues are now. I know at the press conference you said last year there was a surplus of about 5 million. This year there was a deficit because the international friendlies started up again.